Hey everybody, hope your day is going good. We're going to be opening the RC Explosion box. This is version 32 by Filmington. 1-2 subscription boxes that I do. This always has a great selection, pack selection to go through. And let you look at that real quick. Got a 2004 tops with potential of Gallo Molina or Gallo and Greinke, 2014 Bowman. We got some Tops Update, 2018 Tops Update in here. We got some potential for some good stuff. So let's go. So everybody's doing good. Everybody's getting their Topps Chrome retail that's popping up all over the place. Hopefully Target will decide that it wants to put it on their site before long, but it took them a while to put Gypsy Queen out there, so who knows. Might have to save the update. We'll save the update for 2018 update for last. 2019, there's a nice Topps Chrome. And 2020 and 2021 Bowman. So let's do we're gonna do the 2020 Series 2. Looking for Mr. Luis Robert. He is back and playing with the White Sox and doing pretty well. That's McCullers. Jose Rodriguez. Tim Lopes. Put those in my Ricky pile. Oh, I forgot about there's a bunch of landscape cards in this set. Not Trout tops now. Nice throwback to Carter Yastrzemski. And Jose Trevino. So, no Luis Robert. Let's do Series 1. Bo Bichette. Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, the Future Stars to go in my quasi-Ricky pile there. Turn every which way but loose. Dubon. There's a cool Tanaka. Throwback from Chris Bryant. Luke Voigt and a Trout. And let's do our 2021 Bowman. Austin Martin, Blaze, Jordan. Winky. There's a Ryan Mountcastle. Ricky card. Nice Blaze Jordan first Bowman there. That's nice. We'll go ahead and sleeve him. Consider that a decent hit. Rather Chrome is a prospect. So not too bad. Let's do 2019 Heritage. We're looking for Tatis and Vladdy Jr. and Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez, who's actually doing pretty well too, coming back from injury. Brandon Bishop was the only rookie out of there. So not too much to write home about out of there. Okay, let's do our 2014 Bowman Draft. Rafael Devers, Eloy, Trey Turner, Matt Chapman, Chris Bryant, Alex Verdugo, these are names are hard to read on here. Brandon Nemo, Ryan Castellani, Josh Hader, Chrome, A.J. Reed, so some first in there, but I didn't really recognize who they were. Okay, we're going to do our Topps Chrome from 2020. Buster Posey, Yohan Moncada, and a nice Aquino 85 throwback. Okay, we're going to do our 2015 update. Francisco Lindor, Carlos Correa, Chris Bryant, Joey Gallo. That'd be cool to get a Gallo. I'll have a Gallo rookie card. Logan Verrett. There's a nice Garrett Cole All-Star. Gold card of Gordon Beckham. Andrew Miller. There it is. There's a Joey Gallo. Nice getting sloshed rookie debut. Not too shabby. Salvador Perez and Franklin Morales. Okay. So we're going to do our Topps 2004 and looking for Yachty and Zach Greinke. Never opened up any of this before. Tad sticky, but nothing major. So that's John Smoltz. We'll actually get some Hall of Fame cards out of this. Willis Roberts. Batting average leaders. Edgar Renteria and Todd Helton on there, and Albert Pujols. And 100th anniversary of the Fall Classic. There's a future stars of Zach Greinke. How about that? Not too shabby. It's stuck to the last card behind it, who is nobody that I remember right off the top of my head. I don't know if that's actually a rookie card that says feature stars, but I have to look that up a little bit later. I actually got a John Smoltz. So the big boys out of here, Acuna and Soto. These packs have skyrocketed. Nice Shane Bieber rookie card. Garrett Cooper. Gurriel. Rookie combos. Todd Frazier and another rookie combos. And that closes it out. So actually did pretty good. I haven't had a whole lot of luck out of these boxes, but that was kind of fun. I like that. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and I hope you subscribe if you're not already a subscriber, and I'll see you soon.